First, we're in Wales with Tarmac at Quarry at Old Radnor in Powys, where the vision is for a mix of habitats of lakes, ponds, rocky outcrops, scree, hedgerows and woodland. And here, the mantra of more, bigger, better and joined up will take shape in the landscape. The plan is to link 3 existing areas of woodland, creating new habitats for a range of protected and notable species, including hazel dormice, bats and birds. New ponds are being designed to encourage great crested newts, and an ecological management plan will guide and monitor their progress. People are part of the plan too, with improved access for the public and new rights of way. Green Hay Days will be held, where local people will help spread species-rich hay from the Dollarhare Meadows SSSI on the poor quality ground. This will restore and recreate colourful wildflower grasslands. At Newington and Misson Quarry in Nottinghamshire, a large 100-hectare sand and gravel quarry, the plan by Hanson is to create wetland, grass and woodland. The site lies next to the River Idle Washlands SSSI, which is important to roosting and feeding populations of wildfowl and breeding waders. Restoration of the quarry will help expand and connect precious habitats to those in the SSSI. Water levels will be restored and managed, creating reed beds, wet grasslands, ditches and open water. The restoration is very much a team effort, working with the Nottinghamshire Wildlife Trust, the RSPB, Natural England, the Environment Agency, Misson Parish Council and Nottinghamshire County Council. Looking to the future, the company will be part of the management of the site for more than a quarter of a century. The aggregate industry's Topley Pike Quarry in Derbyshire has produced limestone for the construction industry. This wide-ranging and ambitious restoration project will see the removal and reprofiling of a tip to restore the Deepdale Valley, watercourse and footpath. Topley Pike is in an area known worldwide for its walking country and dramatic scenery. The project sits within the Peak District National Park, and the aim is to deliver ecological and environmental benefits reflecting the limestone dales landscape and the habitats of the Peak District Dales SSSI. The restoration will include grassland, scrub and broad-leaved woodland which will benefit badgers as well as nesting birds. Exposed cliff faces will attract ravens and peregrine falcons. The project has been agreed following a lengthy collaboration with the National Park, Natural England, the Environment Agency and the Wildlife Trust. At Divot Hill in Northumberland, Cemex's restoration of this limestone quarry will see a mosaic of grassland, native woodland, escarpments and outcrops. What makes this project so special and challenging is the creation of Whin grassland, something closely associated with the Great Whin Sill, a quartz dolerite intrusion which Hadrian's Wall is built on. Whin grassland has dramatically declined over the past 3 decades, and it'll take several years to recreate such a valuable habitat. The soil needs to contain whinstone, a commercial product that was removed and sold during quarrying. This project will see unsaleable leftover whinstone being returned to the landscape and then planted with delicate seedlings. Learning from others has been crucial for the Divot Hill team. The RSPB and the Northumberland Wildlife Trust are part of this project. It's hoped the hard work will create a biodiverse environment that will benefit wildflowers, upland birds and mammals and contribute to the Wildlife Trust's Save Our Magnificent Meadows project.